In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the size of a pie chart in Tableau. Whether you're new to data visualization or just looking to refine your dashboard presentations, mastering pie chart customization can make a significant difference in how your data is perceived. So, let's dive right into it. First, start by launching the Tableau application on your computer. This iconic data visualization tool, as many of you may know, allows you to transform raw data into comprehensive analytical insights effortlessly. Once you've navigated your way into Tableau, it's time to access your worksheet. This is your blank canvas, ready to be transformed into a stunning visual representation of your data. Before we aim to resize our pie chart, we'll first need to create one. Begin by dragging the region field to the column shelf. Imagine this step as defining the categorical variable you want to visualize. Next, locate the sales field and drag it over to the rows shelf. This essentially sets the quantitative data you want the pie chart to reflect. Now, go ahead and click on the Show Me menu. This nifty feature unveils a plethora of chart types you can create with your data selection. Here you will select the pie chart option, one of the straightforward ways to represent parts of a whole. Now that your basic pie chart is set up, let's talk about making it larger. To adjust the chart size, click on the View drop-down located at the toolbar and select Entire View. This option will optimize the visualization to fill the available space in your worksheet. Still, if you want to customize the size further, there's an additional step. Click on the Size shelf in the Marks card section. You'll notice a slider that appears. Drag this slider to adjust the pie chart size to your preference. Instantly, you'll observe it transforming in real time on your screen. To make your chart even more informative, you can add values directly to it. Drag the sales field over to the label shelf. This will display the numerical sales data directly on the pie sections. If you're keen on seeing detailed information at a glance, also consider dragging sales to the tooltip shelf, enhancing your chart's interactivity through hover effects. Finally, for those looking to tweak their visualization further, you may want to drag sales to the angle shelf. This will adjust the angle of your pie chart segments, visually emphasizing variations in data more prominently. And there you have it. You've successfully resized and customized a pie chart in Tableau, all in just a few simple steps. From a clearer, more detailed view to interactive tooltips, your data is now more engaging than ever. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore these techniques further with your own data sets.